King Cuz back on the Festo channel. Today we're going to be doing some work on my C8 Corvette. We're going to be installing some Paragon lift pucks. See, you have two pucks here. This one is set up so like if you were going to just put the puck into the vehicle, twist the puck up into the frame rail and untwist it so you wouldn't be permanently leaving the puck on the vehicle. This one we have set up where we got the T-bolt up the top. We're going to put some blue Loctite on there, because I plan on leaving these pucks permanently mounted on the vehicle. And we're going to show you how it's done. We're ready to install it. Got a mirror down here to show where the oblong hole is for the T-bolt to go up into. Yep, pulling down on the puck. I'm going to give this a tighten. I'm going to change that puck, then I'm going to have the Paragon in the back.
Hey, will Paragon custom engrave these with your name on them?
No, that would be a cool thing though.
If anybody's interested, we can get them custom engraved with your name on them.
There we go.
Nice and tight?
Nice and tight. So it's important to note when putting in the pucks or lifting a C8 Corvette that you don't lift the car here where it looks like it has a cutout. But if you look into the frame rail, the hole there is round. It's not oblong. So if you come further up in the car, you can see where we've installed the Paragon puck. The hole there is oval. This is towards the front of the car, the furthest to the front of the car. If you've ever seen the video or picture of the C8 Corvette falling off the lift, that's because they didn't have it in the correct spot. They were lifting back here in the incorrect spot, and the weight distribution of the car slipped the car off the arms of the lift. Okay, now that we got the pucks installed on the C8 Corvette, it's not the easiest job in the world. I mean, because it being low, but with some patience, a mirror, the right tools, you can accomplish it. One thing to note, as far as if you do have front lift, make sure the nose of the car is lifted up. It does give you a little bit more room in the front. But the pucks are installed. Now we'll be able to service the car and lift the car, knowing that we're lifting in the right locations. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for coming back here to the Festo Garage channel. King Cuz out.